Hello, my name is Demi, and today I'm going to show you how to see your PACE physician in a virtual care appointment. Virtual care is easy to use, and there's no software to download or an application to upload. All you need is a browser on your computer or a device such as your smartphone that has a microphone and camera. Here's how it works. Just before your appointment, you will receive an email. Check your junk folder if you don't see it, or a text message with a link to a virtual visit with your doctor. This message will include a PIN. Please remember to write this down or copy it. To join the virtual visit, click on the link in the email text message to open the video conferencing page and insert the PIN provided in the message. To start the visit with the doctor, click the Join Video Call button. When connected, you will see the physician, and the physician will see you. You may be asked at this point in time to allow the software to use your computer or microphone. Please remember to allow that. All data is encrypted, your sessions are anonymous, and none of your information is stored. Thanks for watching our video tutorial. I hope that this was helpful.